Symptoms that indicate testosterone deficiency in men. Testosterone deficiency can negatively affect the functioning of many organs in a man's body, as well as provoke a significant decrease in quality of life. Testosterone is the male sex hormone, and as men get older, its level tends to decrease, and this can happen after 30 years. Sometimes the drop in testosterone levels is called male menopause, but NHS doctors say the term can be misleading. Deficiency of testosterone. It does not necessarily mean that there is a natural age-related process due to aging. Doctors state that the problem of testosterone deficiency can occur in men of any age, as for some reason their body does not produce enough hormone. In this case, an examination is necessary to clarify the cause of this feature. What are the symptoms of testosterone deficiency? The influence of the hormone on the functioning of the male body is difficult to overestimate. It affects the work of many organs and systems. This is clear even by the variety of symptoms that arise due to its insufficient concentration. Symptoms of testosterone deficiency are not necessarily dangerous to health, but at the same time they can be unpleasant, affect the general mental state, physical shape,